This call is now being recorded.
Okay. Now whether screen is visible to everyone. So whether my voice is proper. Shall we start our lecture? Write in the comment box. Shall we start our lecture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last lecture we have seen the derivation related to the horizontal plane surface, inclined plane surface, and vertical plane surface immersed in a static fluid. Now based on that we have find out the value of EF, that is rho g AH bar, and value of H star, that is nothing but Ij upon Ij upon AH bar plus H bar in case of vertical plane. Then H is equal to H bar is equal to H star in case of horizontal plane, and in case of inclined plane, H star is equal to H bar, Ij upon Ig sin square theta upon AH bar plus H bar. So based on this we have to solve the problem. So for solving the problem we should know the uh, moment of inertia and other geometric property of various geometric planes. So we have seen this chart also. So and you have written in your notebook also. So if there is a rectangular surface, then center of gravity of that rectangular surface will be at a distance of d by 2 from the base. Then area of that rectangular surface will be b into d, whereas b is nothing but this side, d is nothing but this height. Then moment of inertia about an axis passing through the center of gravity parallel to the base, that is nothing but value of Ig will be equal to bd cube upon 12. And next one is nothing but value of I0 is nothing but bd cube upon 3. Whereas d, which d we have to consider, so from center of gravity point we have to draw one axis. From center of gravity point we have to draw one axis, and that axis should be parallel to the base surface or base axis. So where that uh, axis which is passing through center of gravity point intersecting the side, that side you have to consider as a d cube, and you have to consider the cube of that side. Then for triangular surface, center of gravity point of triangular surface will be at a distance of h by 3, will be at a distance of h by 3 from the base, and that should be at a distance of 2h by 3. That should be at a distance of 2h by 3 from the apex. Then area of that triangular plate will be equal to 1 half base into height. Then value of Ig in case of triangular plate will be equal to bh cube upon 36, and value of I0 in case of triangular plate will be equal to bh cube upon 12. So these formulas are related to the triangular plate. Then next one is related to the circular. So if your plate is having the circular shape, and if d is the diameter of that circular shape or diameter of that circular plate, then center of gravity point will be at a distance of a radius from the axis, base axis. So that will be equal to d by 2. Then area of circular plate will be equal to pi by 4 d square, and moment of inertia value of Ig for circular plate will be equal to pi by 64 d raised to 4, and value of I0 for circular plate there will not be any value of I0. Then trapezium, if you are having the next shape as a trapezium shape, and if you are considering this as a shorter side of the trapezium shape as a, longer side of the trapezium shape as a b, longer side of trapezium shape as a b, and height of trapezium shape as a h, height as a h. Then the value of center of gravity from base point, value of x, here center of gravity of your trapezium shape will be here. So this vertical distance x, that is nothing but uh, value that is nothing but distance of center of gravity from base, that will be given by equation twice a plus b divided by a plus b, that will be inside the bracket, and outside of the bracket h by 3. And area of this trapezium shape will be given by equation a plus b divided by 2 into h. That will be the formula to calculate the value of area, and value of Ig will be given by equation a square plus 4ab plus b square divided by 36a plus b into h cube. A square plus 4ab plus b square divided by 36a plus b into h cube. So that will be the value of Ig. So depending upon these formulas, we have to solve the problem. Now first problem, this is the first problem. So statement is determine the total pressure on a circular plate of diameter 1.5 meter. Determine the total pressure on a circular plate of diameter 1.5 meter, which is placed vertically in a water in such a way that center of the plate is 3 meter below the free surface of water, and the position of center of pressure also. And the position of center of pressure also. Now here, if you read this problem carefully, here in the first sentence itself, they have mentioned that determine the total pressure. Determine the total pressure. That means here we have to find out the value of F. We have to find out the value of F. Here they have mentioned that there is one circular plate. That circular plate is having the diameter as a 1.5 meter. And that circular plate is placed vertically. That circular plate is placed vertically in a water. Why they have mentioned? So based on that water, you will be able to know that density of water is nothing but 1000. Circular plate we have placed vertically in water. That plate is placed in such a way that center of the plate is 3 meter below the free surface of the water. Center of plate is nothing but center of plate is 3 meter below the free surface of water, and we have to find out the position of that center of pressure also. Now here, after reading the problem carefully, you have to draw the diagram for this problem statement. Now here, if you are going to consider this as a free surface, of water, and below this, suppose water is available. Now, in this static water, you are going to place, you have to place one circular plate. Now, here you have to place one circular plate. Whatever that circular plate you are going to place, that circular plate will have the diameter as a 1.5 meter. And that circular plate you have to place in such a way that should be vertically, and in such a way that center of plate is 3 meter below the free surface of water. Now here, in this water, you have to place one circular plate. Assume this as a circular plate. Sorry, I have to draw that circular plate. Okay. Assume that this has a circular plate which is having the diameter of this circular plate is nothing but 1.5 meter. Diameter of this circular plate is nothing but 1.5 meter. Sorry. Now, here, whatever this circular plate is there, that we have placed vertically. The circular plate we have placed vertically, and whatever center of plate is there, that means this center point. That center point is at a distance of 3 meter below the free surface. 3 meter below the free surface. So this distance is nothing but 3 meter. Now we are knowing that whatever vertical distance between, this is the 3 meter. We are knowing that whatever vertical distance between free surface of that liquid and center of gravity of that plate is there, that is always denoted by letter सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी आणि फ्री सरफेस या दोन्हीच्या मधलं डिस्टन्स कोणत्या नोटेशन डिनोट करतो आपण that is always denoted by letter h bar. So this is the value of h bar, and this is the entire problem statement in the geometrical term. Now here what we have to find out? Here we have to find out the value of F. Here we have to find out total pressure. Find out the total pressure means we have to find out the value of total pressure. So on this plate, force F will be acting. So we have to find out the value of F, and whatever that force F will be there, that will be acting. Force F will be acting through the point called as the center of gravity point. That is nothing but through point G. Through point G, that center of gravity point will be acting. Sorry, center of pressure point will be acting. So we have to find out the position of H star also. So first of all, we'll write down the given data. So in the given data, diameter of the circular plate is nothing but 1.5 meter. Diameter of circular plate is nothing but 1.5 meter. Then second one, that circular plate is placed vertically in a water. Now based on that water word, you are knowing that density of water is nothing but 1000 kg per meter cube. Kg per meter cube. Then next one, center of plate is 3 meter below the free surface of water. That means what it indicates, value of H bar. Value of H bar is nothing but equal to 3 meter. Value of H bar is nothing but equal to 3 meter. Now what here what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of F, and after that H star. So first of all we will find out the value of F. So which formula we have to use here? कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज करावा लागणार आहे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी? कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे? F is nothing but equal to rho g ah bar. F is nothing but equal to rho g ah bar. So use that formula, rho g ah bar. Now we have to use this formula. So in this formula, rho is nothing but density of water, whose value is nothing but 1000 kg per meter cube. G is nothing but 9.81. G is nothing but 9.81. So value of G is nothing but 9.81. That is also we are knowing. A. Here whether value of A they have provided. Value of A, whether they have provided, they have not provided the value of A. So we have to find out the value of A. And to find out the value of A, they have given the value of diameter. So as they have provided the value of diameter of the circular plate, so based on diameter, how to calculate the value of area of circular plate? What is the formula? Formula काय आहे? Circular plate चा area find out करायचा, pi by 4 d square. Pi by 4 d square. त्यापैकी डायमीटर माहित आहे, त्यावरून आपल्याला काय कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल? एरिया कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल. pi by 4 d square. So you are able to calculate the value of area also. And after that, after calculation of value of area, you have to find out the value of H star. So already value of H star they have provided. फक्त एरिया कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे ठिकाणी. एरिया कॅल्क्युलेट केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली कशाची व्हॅल्यू मिळणार आहे? एफ ची व्हॅल्यू मिळणार आहे. सो व्हॉट विल बी द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एफ? कॅन एनीवन टेल मी? एफ ची व्हॅल्यू काय येते? एरिया काय येतो अगोदर?
1.767.
1.767.
1.767. That is the value of F or area. 1.767. कशाची व्हॅल्यू आहे?
Area.
1.767. That will be in terms of meter square. 1.767. And after calculation of area, put this value of area in this equation, you will get the value of F. What will be the value of F? What will be the value of F? F ची व्हॅल्यू काय येणार आहे? Rho g ah bar.
52 into 10 raised to 3.
52 into 10 raised to
10 raised to 3.
10 raised to 3. 52 into 10 raised to 3 Newton will be the answer, or kilonewton. That will be in terms of Newton, and in terms of kilonewton, 52 kilonewton. So this is the answer of first question. After finding out the value of F, आफ्टर दॅट यू हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एच स्टार. आता एच स्टार फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज करणार आहे तुम्ही? एच स्टार फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज करणार आहे? Which formula you are going to use for finding out the value of H star? Vertical plane साठी H star ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळते आपल्याला? किंवा H star ची फॉर्म्युला काय आहे? Ig upon AH bar. Ig upon AH bar
plus H bar.
Ig upon AH bar plus H bar. Ig upon AH bar plus H bar हा फॉर्म्युला आहे. त्यापैकी Ig सर्क्युलर प्लेटचा Ig कसा मिळतो आपल्याला? सर्क्युलर प्लेट साठीचा Ig ते मागचे दोन चार्ट तुम्ही नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून काढलेत का? हे दोन चार्ट तुम्ही नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून काढलेत का?
Yes, sir.
सगळ्यांनी?
Yes.
जर काढले नसतील तर स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या या दोन्ही चार्टचा आणि परत नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून काढा, कारण की हे चार्ट माहित असल्याशिवाय तुम्हाला ह्या व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करता येणार नाहीत. हा एक स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. ज्यांनी नोटबुक मध्ये लिहून काढल्या नाहीत त्यांनी हा एक स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. घेतला का?
Yes, sir.
आणि हा एक घ्या. 2 मिनिटं. ओके, हा एक घ्या. घेतले दोन्ही स्क्रीनशॉट?
Yes,
आता
sir.
या ठिकाणी सर्क्युलर प्लेट साठीच आपल्याला सगळे व्हॅल्यू मिळतात. म्हणजे सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी पॉईंट किती डिस्टन्स वरती असतो सर्क्युलर प्लेट साठीचा? दॅट विल बी ॲट अ डिस्टन्स ऑफ रेडियस. At a distance of radius, that means this value d/2, area pi/4 d square, आणि सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी सॉरी मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया जो असतो सर्क्युलर प्लेटचा तो कोणत्या फॉर्म्युला मिळतो? पाय d⁴ अपॉन 64. पाय d⁴ अपॉन 64. सो हिअर H स्टार इज नथिंग बट Ig अपॉन AH बार प्लस H बार. त्यापैकी Ig ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळणार आहे तुम्हाला? Ig ची व्हॅल्यू कोणत्या फॉर्म्युला मिळेल तुम्हाला? सर्क्युलर प्लेट साठीचा Ig काय आहे? त्या चार्ट मध्ये बघा सर्क्युलर प्लेट साठीचा Ig
Pi d2 divided by 64.
d⁴ डिवायडेड बाय 64. त्या फॉर्म्युल्यानं Ig ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल. एरिया ऑलरेडी तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट केलेला आहे. H बार ऑलरेडी तुम्हाला माहित आहे आणि हा H बार पण माहित आहे. त्या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू पुटअप केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला कशाची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल? H स्टार ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल. काय येते H स्टार ची व्हॅल्यू? H स्टार ची व्हॅल्यू काय येते? आणि H स्टार ची व्हॅल्यू कशामध्ये असणार आहे? मीटर मध्ये असणार आहे. What is the value of H star? प्रॉब्लेम कसा सॉल्व्ह करायचा समजतंय का? 3.04 मीटर. ओके, 3.046 मीटर. Okay, no issue. Are you getting how to solve the problem? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting how to solve the problem?
0.25.
0.25. That will be the wrong answer because we are knowing that center of pressure is always below the center of gravity in case of vertical plane surface. म्हणजे आपलं जे आन्सर येणार आहे टॅली पॉईंट कोणतं असणार आहे? आपलं जे आन्सर आहे पाहिजे ते 3 मीटर पेक्षा जास्तच आहे पाहिजे. जर तुमचा आन्सर 3 मीटर पेक्षा जास्त असेल तर ते बरोबर असू शकतं. 3 मीटर पेक्षा कमी असेल तर ते आन्सर चुकीचं असणार. काहीतरी चुकतंय म्हणाल मग तुमचं. Ig pi/4 pi/64 d⁴ हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा Ig साठीचा. प्रॉब्लेम समजला सगळ्यांना? हा प्रॉब्लेम समजला का? आर यू गेटिंग द प्रॉब्लेम? ओके, आता 2 मिनिटं. प्रॉब्लेम स्टेटमेंट नोटबुक मध्ये लिहायच्या अगोदर काय लिहा? फॉर्म्युलीज required to solve the problem. Inside in your notebook write down the heading formulas required to solve the problem. Formulas required to solve the problem. Next line. Case 1 CASE. Case 1 vertical plane surface. Vertical plane surface. case 1 vertical plane surface. नेक्स्ट लाइन ला लिया फॉर वर्टिकल प्लेन सरफेस एफ इज इक्वल टू वर्टिकल प्लेन सरफेस ज्या ठिकाणी लिहिले त्या पुढे लिहा एफ इज इक्वल टू रो जी ए एच बार. एफ इज इक्वल टू रो जी ए एच बार. म्हणजे कोणता फॉर्म्युला लिहायचा तुम्हाला वर्टिकल प्लेन सरफेस साठीचा फॉर्म्युला सॉरी हा फॉर्म्युला लिहायचा एफ इज इक्वल टू रो जी ए एच बार. लिहिलं सगळ्यांनी. हा व्हर्टिकल प्लेन साठीचा टोटल फोर्स आहे. लिहिलं का सगळ्यांनी?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट लाइन एच स्टार इज इक्वल टू एच स्टार म्हणजे काय पोझिशन ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ प्रेशर. एच स्टारचा फॉर्म्युला काय लिहिणार आहे तुम्ही एच स्टार इज इक्वल टू आय जी अपॉन ए एच बार. आय जी अपॉन ए एच बार हा फॉर्म्युला लिहिला तुम्ही. सॉरी एच स्टार इज इक्वल टू आय जी अपॉन ए एच बार प्लस एच बार. आय जी अपॉन ए एच बार प्लस एच बार. लिहिलं का सगळ्यांनी? लिहिलं का सगळ्यांनी?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट लाइन केस 2 केस 2 हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन सरफेस. हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन सरफेस म्हणजे व्हर्टिकल प्लेन सरफेस जर असेल तर एफ चा फॉर्म्युला काय असणार आहे तुमचा रो जी ए एच बार. व्हर्टिकल प्लेन सरफेस असेल तर एच स्टारचा फॉर्म्युला काय यूज करायचा तुम्हाला आय जी अपॉन ए एच बार प्लस एच बार. नंतर केस 2 हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन सरफेस. हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन सरफेस. नेक्स्ट लाइन एफ इज इक्वल टू फॉर एफ हियर फॉर्म्युला इज सेम रो जी ए एच बार. एफ इज इक्वल टू रो जी ए एच बार. नेक्स्ट लाइन and h star is equal to vertical plane horizontal plane surface साठी h star काय येणार आहे काय फॉर्म्युला असणार आहे h star चा horizontal plane surface साठी फॉर्म्युला ऑफ h star will be
H bar.
h star is equal to h bar is equal to h. H star is equal to h bar is equal to h. Completed? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now third case 3 inclined plane surface. Case 3 inclined plane surface. So in case of inclined plane surface also formula of F is nothing but rho g ah bar. F is nothing but total pressure force acting on an inclined plane surface. F is equal to rho g ah bar. Rho g ah bar. Have you written this formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And h star is equal to for inclined plane surface value of h star is nothing but ig sin square theta upon ah bar plus h bar. Ig sin square theta upon ah bar plus h bar. Have you written this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write down this problem statement in your notebook. Write down this problem statement in your notebook. Determine the total pressure. Determine the total pressure on a circular plate of diameter determine the total pressure on a circular plate of diameter 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, which is placed vertically, in water, in such a way that the center of plate is 3 meter below the free surface of water. The center of plate is 3 meter below the free surface of water. Full stop. Find the position of center of pressure also. Find the position of center of pressure also. Find the position of center of pressure also. Have you completed this? Once you have completed this write-up of question, let me know. Okay. Now, after completion of this statement, you have to draw the diagram based by reading the question. You have to draw the diagram by reading the question. So here, the first word is nothing but whatever circular plate is there that is having the diameter as a 1.5 meter, which is placed vertically placed inside the water, and center of plate is 3 meter below the free surface of water. So first of all, draw the free surface, and inside that free surface of water, draw one circular plate which will have the diameter as a 1.5 meter, and whatever center of gravity point is there, or center of that circular plate is there, so that center of circle or center of that circular plate is at a 3 meter from free surface of water. So draw this diagram with the help of pen only. You have to draw this diagram. Friend sketching. You have to draw this friend sketching. Have you completed this? Once you have completed this friend sketching of this diagram, let me know. Have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after this, we'll write down the given data. So what is the given data in the problem? So first of all, they have provided the value of diameter of the plate. What is the diameter of plate? So first thing, given data, diameter of plate is nothing but 1.5 meter. Diameter of plate is nothing but 1.5 meter. Then, as they have provided the value of diameter, based on diameter, you are able to find out the area of circular plate. So area of circle is nothing but pi by 4 d square. Pi by 4 d square. So area of circular plate will be equal to 1.767 meters square. So write down this area of circular plate pi by 4 d square, which is equal to 1.767 meters square. Then next thing, we are knowing that vertical distance from center of gravity up to the free surface of liquid is nothing but 3 meter. So value of h bar they have provided. Value of h bar is nothing but 3 meter. Value of h bar is nothing but 3 meter. So one more thing is there in a given data. What is the next thing in a given data? Whatever liquid is there, that liquid is nothing but water. So write down rho is equal to density. So what is the density of water? Rho is equal to, what is the value of density of water? 1000 kg per meter cube. Kg per meter cube. So have you completed up to here? Have you completed up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now after this, we have to find out the value of EF. So determine the total pressure. So write down point one, small point one, total pressure. The total pressure is also known as the total pressure force. So write down point one, total pressure or total pressure force. So formula for total pressure or total pressure force in case of vertical plane, that is nothing but rho g ah bar. F is equal to rho g ah bar. रो वॉटरसाठीचा रो काय आहे 1000, जी काय आहे 9.81, एरिया आपण फाइंड आउट केलेला आहे 1.767 and h bar is nothing but 3 meter. So combinedly you will get the value of EF, that will be in terms of Newton. So write down this value in terms of Newton. So finally value of EF will be equal to 52002.81 Newton. So this is the value of EF. सुरुवातीला आपण EF फाइंड आउट केला, झालं इथपर्यंत झालंय का सगळ्यांचं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after finding out the value of EF, we have to find out the position of center of pressure also. Also find the position of center of pressure also. Position of center of pressure म्हणजे काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला? H स्टार फाइंड आउट करायचं. आणि सर्क्युलर प्लेट साठी व्हॅल्यू ऑफ H स्टार कोणत्या फॉर्म्युलेने मिळते आपल्याला? Ig upon AH bar plus H bar. Ig upon AH bar plus H bar. Now if you see this formula, in this formula you are knowing the value of A, you are knowing the value of H bar, you are knowing the value of H bar. Only unknown term is nothing but Ig. So if you are able to find out the value of Ig, you will get the value of H star. So value of Ig for circular plate is given by equation. What is the equation? सर्क्युलर प्लेटचा Ig कोणत्या फॉर्म्युलेने मिळतो आपल्याला? What is the equation for Ig? Ig will be given by equation pi by 64 d raised to 4. हा फॉर्म्युला आहे. pi by 64 d raised to 4. त्यापैकी पाय d ची व्हॅल्यू काय 1.5 raised to 4 divided by 64. So you will get the value of Ig as a 0.2485 meter raised to 4. You will get the value of Ig as a 0.2485 meter raised to 4. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the same answer? Okay. Now put this value of Ig in this equation. Automatically you will get the value of H star. Put the value of Ig in this equation. You will get the value of H star. So value of H star is nothing but Ig upon AH bar plus H bar. So finally you will get the answer as a 3.0468 meter. 3.0468 meter. Are you getting the same answer?
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you have completed, let me know. We'll switch to the next problem. So problems are very much simple. Only thing you should know all the formulas. Once you have completed, let me know. Okay. We'll go to the next problem. So next problem statement. So you have to write in your notebook, write down the problem statement. First of all, write down the problem statement. After that, we'll see how to solve the problem. a rectangular plane surface, write down the problem statement. A rectangular plane surface is 2 meter wide, WIDE, and 3 meter deep, TEEP, full stop. It lies in a vertical plane, LIES. It lies in a vertical plane in water. It lies in a vertical plane in water. Full stop. Determine the total pressure. And position of center of pressure. Determine the total pressure and position of center of pressure on plane surface when its upper edge EDGE is horizontal, when its upper edge is horizontal, and first point, coincide with the water surface. And second point, 2.5 meter below the free surface of water. 2.5 meter below the free surface of water. Now here, if you read this problem carefully, you will come to know that here there are two cases. So suppose we'll first of all consider the case number 1 only. So there is a one rectangular plate which is 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep, and that rectangular plate is kept vertically here, vertical plane, but that vertical plane indicates that plate is kept vertically in a water, but that water will indicate value of rho is 1000. So we have to find out the total pressure and position of center of pressure. That means we have to find out the value of Pf as well as value of H star on the plane surface when its upper edge is horizontal and coincide with the water surface. That is the case 1. Now here, if I am assuming, or if I am considering this as a free surface of water, so in the case 1, whatever that rectangular plate is there, that rectangular plate is coincide with the free surface of water. Rectangular plate is coincide with the free surface of water, and whatever that rectangular plate is there, that is 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep. So here 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep. 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep. So this is the rectangular plane surface. This is the rectangular plane surface which is 2 meter wide and 3 meter deep. 3 meter deep. And this rectangular plane surface is kept vertically inside of water. So here, whatever fluid is there, that fluid is nothing but water. So for this case, you have to find out the value of total pressure and position of center of pressure. So first of all, we'll write down the given data. So here, value of B and value of D. So value of B is nothing but 2 meter. Value of B is nothing but 2 meter. Value of D is nothing but deepness of that rectangular plate, 3 meter. So 3 meter deep. So based on B and D, we are able to find out the area of that rectangular plate. What is the area of rectangular plate, or formula for area of rectangular plate? B into D. B into D, that is the formula for rectangular plate. So 2 into 3 is nothing but 6 meter square. That is nothing but 6 meter square. That will be the area. Now, next thing, we have to find out the value of force, sorry, total pressure force. So to find out the value of total pressure force, which formula we have to use? Vertical plane. Vertical plane साठी formula काय आहे? Rho g ah bar. Rho g ah bar. That is the formula we have to use. Out of that, value of rho. What is the value of rho? Water use केलेला आहे. Surrounding fluid काय आहे? Water आहे. That's why value of rho will be 1000. G is nothing but 9.81. Area will be found out by using the formula B into D, that is nothing but 6 meter square. H bar. आता H bar म्हणजे काय असतं? H bar is nothing but vertical distance between center of gravity and free surface of water. Center of gravity and free surface of water. Now in this case, whatever this rectangular plate is there, that rectangular plate will have the center of gravity point that will be at a distance of d by 2. That will be at a distance of d by 2. So here this will be the center of gravity point. So vertical distance from center of gravity up to the free surface, this will be called as a value of h bar. So what will be the value of h bar in the first case? Value of h bar काय असणार आहे फर्स्ट केस मध्ये? सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी रेक्टँग्युलर प्लेट साठी सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी पॉइंट असणार आहे d by 2 डिस्टन्स वरती असणार आहे. So 1.5, because this total vertical height is nothing but, or total vertical depth is nothing but 3 meters. So 3 by 2, that is nothing but 1.5. So put this value of h bar in this equation, you will automatically get the value of F. So value of F is nothing but, your student have given the answer of value of F. So what is that answer? 88290. Whether everyone is getting the same answer for F, that will be in terms of Newton. Okay, if you are getting the same answer, then that will be the correct answer. Then after finding out the value of F, we have to find out the value of h bar, sorry, h star. We have to find out the value of h star. So to find out the value of h star, which formula we have to use? Ig upon ah bar. Ig upon ah bar Ig upon h bar plus h bar. Sorry. Plus h bar. That formula we have to use. Now, here in this formula, plus h bar term is there. In this formula, value of area you are knowing, value of h bar you are knowing. Only unknown term is nothing but Ig. What is the formula to calculate the value of Ig in case
BD
of
cube upon
rectangular plate? BD cube upon. What is the formula for Ig?
BD cube upon 3.
Rectangular plate.
BD cube upon 12.
BD cube upon 12.
So here if you see this diagram,
BD
So here-
cube by 12.
Ig will be given by equation BD cube upon 12. BD cube upon 12. आणि D कोणता घेत असतो आपण त्यापैकी? जो काय आपण सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी पॉइंट मधून जो ऍक्सिस ड्रॉ करणार आहे, कशाशी ड्रॉ करणार आहे तो ऍक्सिस? कशाला पॅरलल असणार आहे? तुमच्या फ्री सरफेसला पॅरलल असणार आहे तो ऍक्सिस. आणि तो ऍक्सिस ज्या साइडला इंटरसेक्ट करणार आहे ती साइड म्हणजे काय असते? तुमची डी साइड असते. आणि त्याचा काय घ्यायचं असतो? तुम्हाला क्यूब घ्यायचा असतो. सो BD cube upon 12. BD cube upon 12 is the formula to calculate the value of Ig. So या ठिकाणी B काय येणार आहे? 2 मीटर येणार आहे. D काय येणार आहे? 3 मीटर येणार आहे divided by 12. So that will be the value of Ig. That will be in terms of meter raised to 4. That will be in terms of meter raised to 4. So whatever value of Ig you are getting, put in this equation, you will get the value of H star. So value of H star should be greater than 1.5 meter. So what is the answer? 2 meter. So 2 meter will be the value of H star. That is nothing but your first case. Now after finding out the value of F and H star for first case, now you have to solve the same problem for second case. आता सेकंड केस काय असणार आहे? सेकंड केसला काय असणार आहे? फर्स्ट केसला काय होतं आपला? हा जो काय व्हर्टिकल प्लेन सरफेस होता, व्हर्टिकल प्लेन सरफेसचा काय होतं? अप्पर एज इज कोइन्साइड विथ द वॉटर सरफेस. म्हणजे ही जी काय अप्पर एज होती ती काय होती, वॉटर सरफेसला कोइन्साइड होत होती. पण सेकंड केसमध्ये काय, अप्पर एज इज हॉरिझॉन्टल अँड 2.5 मीटर बिलो द फ्री सरफेस ऑफ वॉटर. म्हणजे हा जो काय तुमचा रेक्टेंग्युलर पोर्शन येणार आहे, हा रेक्टेंग्युलर पोर्शन कुठून स्टार्ट होणार आहे, तुमच्या 2.5 मीटर बिलो द फ्री सरफेस ऑफ वॉटर पासून स्टार्ट होणार आहे. दॅट मीन्स वॉट एव्हर युअर रेक्टेंग्युलर portion will be there, that will be likewise, and this distance is nothing but 2.5 meter below the free surface. 2.5 मीटर below the free surface. म्हणजे ह्या ठिकाणी काय चेंज होणार आहे, रेक्टेंग्युलर प्लेन सेमच आहे, म्हणजे त्या रेक्टेंग्युलर प्लेनचा बी सेम आहे, डी सेम आहे, म्हणजे एरिया सेम आहे. दॅट्स वाय फॉर्म्युला ऑफ एफ वर्टिकल प्लेन आहे, त्यामुळे फॉर्म्युला काय राहणार आहे, सेमच राहणार आहे. एफ इज इक्वल टू रो जी ए एच बार. त्यापैकी लिक्विड जे आहे ते वॉटरच आहे, सराउंडिंग फ्लुइड वॉटरच आहे, त्यामुळे रो पण सेम राहणार आहे, जी पण सेम राहणार आहे. रेक्टेंग्युलर प्लेट आहे त्यामुळे एरिया पण सेम राहणार आहे. फक्त चेंज काय होणार आहे या ठिकाणी चेंज कोणती क्वांटिटी होणार आहे, एच बार फक्त चेंज होणार आहे. सो व्हॉट विल बी द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एच बार. आता ह्या प्लेन साठी, या रेक्टेंग्युलर प्लेन साठी एच बार ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे, दॅट इज नथिंग बट इक्वल टू 2.5 प्लस 1.5 असणार आहे. कारण की तुमचा सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी पॉईंट जो असणार आहे तो किती डिस्टन्स वरती असणार आहे, हे जर तुम्ही डी कन्सिडर करत असाल, डेप्थ जर डी कन्सिडर करत असाल तर d/2 एवढ्या डिस्टन्स वरती असणार आहे. आणि d/2 म्हणजे किती वरती, दॅट इज नथिंग बट 3/2, दॅट इज नथिंग बट 1.5. पण एच बार म्हणजे काय असतं, तुमचं व्हर्टिकल डिस्टन्स फ्रॉम फ्री सरफेस अप टू द सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी. आणि फ्री सरफेस पासूनचं हे व्हर्टिकल डिस्टन्स जे आहे अप टू द अप्पर एज ते किती, 2.5 मीटर आहे. दॅट्स वाय vertical distance from free surface up to the center of gravity is nothing but 2.5 plus 1.5. That is nothing but in the second case value of h bar is equal to 2.5 plus 1.5, that is nothing but 4 meter. Are you getting this point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this point? Okay. So here value of h bar will be equal to 4 meter. Put the value of h bar as a 4 meter, you will get the value of ef. Now after getting the value of ef, you have to find out the value of h star. h star साठी फॉर्म्युला काय, ig अपॉन ah बार प्लस h बार. त्यापैकी ig म्हणजे काय, bd क्यूब अपॉन 12. म्हणजे पहिल्या केसमध्ये जो काय व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ig आली होती तुमची इन टर्म्स ऑफ मीटर रेस टू 4, सेम व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ig विल बी ऍप्लिकेबल हिअर. एरिया सेम राहणार आहे, h बार ची फक्त व्हॅल्यू तुमची चेंज होणार आहे. पहिल्या केसमध्ये 1.5 होती, या केसमध्ये 4 मीटर येणार आहे. पुट दॅट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ h बार in the second formula also, you will get the value of h star. Are you getting the solution of this problem? Yes or no? Have you understood how to solve this problem, both the cases? Write in the comment box, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now solution of this problem. So first of all, given data, they have provided the value of b, they have provided the value of d. So we'll consider the first case, that is upper edge coincide with the water surface. So for that case, the diagram is likewise. This is the diagram. The upper edge is horizontal and coincide with the free surface of water. This is the point G. This width is 2 meter, depth is 3 meter, and whatever G point is there, that is at a distance of 1.5 meter from the free surface. So first of all, formula of F, rho G AH bar. So value of rho 1000 for water, G 9.81 meter per second square, area B into D, that is 3 into 2, 6 meter square, H bar 1/2 of the depth, that is nothing but 1.5 meter. So put all those value, you will get the value of F. What is the value of F? Whether everyone is getting the same answer, 88290 Newton.
Yes, sir.
Same answer प्रत्येकाला?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after finding out the value of F, we have to find out the value of H star. So for finding out the value of H star, formula is nothing but vertical plane साठी formula काय आहे, Ig upon AH bar plus H bar. Ig upon AH bar plus H bar. Out of this, we are knowing the value of area, we are knowing the value of H bar. Only unknown term is Ig. So Ig for rectangular plane will be given by equation. BD क्यूब अपॉन 12. यापैकी B ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे 2 मीटर, D ची व्हॅल्यू असणार आहे 3 मीटर divided by 12. So you will get the value of Ig as a 4.5 meter raised to 4. So whatever this value of Ig you are getting, put in this equation, you will get the value of H star. What is the value of H star? What is the value of H star?
4.1875.
4. पहिल्या केससाठी H star 2 मीटर येणार. पहिल्या केससाठी H star काय येणार आहे 2 मीटर येणार. So that will be the your first case. Now you have to consider the second case. Second case मध्ये काय म्हणताय तुम्ही? Upper edge is 2.5 meter below the free surface. Upper edge is 2.5 meter below the free surface of water. त्यासाठीचा डायग्राम कशी येणार आहे? या टाइपची डायग्राम येणार आहे. So this upper edge is horizontal. This upper edge is horizontal and below the 2.5 meter from the free surface. So here value of H star. H star म्हणजे काय असणार आहे? नेहमी लक्षात काय ठेवायचं तुम्हाला? H star म्हणजे काय असतं? सॉरी, H bar म्हणजे नेहमी काय असतं? सेंटर ऑफ ग्रॅव्हिटी आणि फ्री सरफेस हे दोन्हीच्या मधलं व्हर्टिकल डिस्टन्स असतं. आणि H star म्हणजे सेंटर ऑफ प्रेशर आणि फ्री सरफेस या दोन्हीच्या मधलं व्हर्टिकल डिस्टन्स असतं. त्या केसमध्ये H bar ची व्हॅल्यू काय येणार आहे? 2.5 प्लस 1.5 येणार आहे. So formula will be same. F is equal to rho g AH bar. So value of H bar is nothing but distance from center of gravity up to the free surface. That is nothing but 2.5 plus 3 by 2. So total H bar is nothing but 4 meter. So put the value of H bar in the formula of F. F will be equal to rho g AH bar. So you will get the value of F. What is the value of F? 235440 Newton. 235440 Newton. Whether everyone is getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that, after finding out the value of F, we have to find out the value of H star. So H star will be given by equation Ig upon AH bar plus H bar. So out of that value of Ig is same. Ig rectangular plate साठीचा Ig काय आहे? BD cube upon 12. B किती 2 meter, D किती 3 meter. So 4.5 meter raised to 4. That will be the value of Ig. Value of area 6 meter. H bar फक्त काय झालेलं आहे? चेंज झालेलं आहे. So put those value. You will get the value of H star, and that value of H star will be equal to 4.1875 meter. So this will be the solution of problem. Have you understood, everyone? Have you understood how to solve the problem? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in the next lecture we will take the another problem. Now time is 2 p.m. So I request you to write down your roll number in the chat box. And here complete this write-up part if you have not completed yet. पाठीमागचं लिहिलंय का पहिल्या केस साठीचा राईटअप कम्प्लीट केलेलं आहे?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सेकंड केस साठीचं राईटअप कम्प्लीट करा. And after that you can exit the meeting. Thank you.